forces out, we have Dancing Rags. Pass to begin, moving a party out. So now is Mika. Down on the inside, third pair win. Dan Lorkis Tower is the early trailer. Going along for the first turn, we have Mika. Bayo na lang Kanehapa. Pair win in second. 2 lengths for the back in third. Dancing Rugs. And Lorkis Tower is the early trailer by about 5 to 6 lengths up the pace. And it's still Mika by about 2 lengths. And in second still is pair win. Lorkis Tower now trying to get closer in third. Then followed by Dancing Rugs. And it's still Mika Bayo na lang Kanehapa. Fair win still in second. Lorkis Tower now moving upon the outside to take second. And a long way back to Dancing Rugs. And it's still Mika. Lorkis Tower is on the outside. Fair win in third. As they come down at the last 150. Mika. Lorkis Tower fighting out for the lead. Fair win in third and Dancing Rugs. But it's still Mika. Followed by Lorkis Tower. And nearing the finish line, it's Mika. Lorkis Tower, pair win, then comes Dancing Rugs.
For all we know, parang lalagpas na si Lorkis Tower. Kaya lang, nung